Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet. If you haven't already, download and install the MetaMask extension for your browser or the mobile app. Once done, open your MetaMask app. MetaMask does not support Bitcoin natively, so you need to use a bridge or a compatible network. To change your network, tap the arrow on the top part of your screen. Over here, select BNB Smart Chain. Next, scroll down until you find these important tokens over here. Tap on the link. Now on this page, simply search for BTC or select Bitcoin BEP2. Then over here, tap Import below. You have successfully added Bitcoin to your MetaMask wallet by converting it to wrapped Bitcoin. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.